you are you, if you are you, 30s बोल रही हूँ. Hello जी, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back, and also sorry that I took so long to post another video. I think मैंने बहुत सारे videos ऐसे कर लिए हैं जिसमें मैं बोलती हूँ कि I don't know what I'm doing with my life. I'm still figuring it out. Today we are not here to talk about sad things. We are here to talk about positive things as I navigate through my late 20s. If you are also in your late 20s, great. How do you feel? Let's chat later. If you are also reaching your late 20s, keep watching. This might help. Save it for later. There are a few lessons that I've learned and I've implemented to make my life better. Just in general, do better for myself. And I thought, okay, let's share. क्या पता किसके काम लग जाए. Welcome to बातें with बादशाह. Before that, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you already have, then you have good taste. Good job. Number one, break your patterns. I've learned this the hard way. I am still in the process of breaking my patterns. Get into that area where you don't feel that confident and comfortable. In order to get out of those spiraling thoughts, in order to get out of that creeping feeling that you have, you need to start doing something that is out of your comfort zone. Until unless you try and break your patterns, try something new, you will not know what you are yourself capable of और तुम्हें क्या पसंद आ सकता है क्या नहीं आ सकता है. Speaking of breaking patterns, try something new. It just elevates your confidence, it elevates your mood. It can be anything. अगर तुम रोज घर पे बैठ के बुक पढ़ते हो तो बाहर जाके बुक पढ़ो, या तो फिर चलते चलते बुक पढ़ो. समटाइम्स मैं ऐसा करती हूँ, मुझे बाहर जाना इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगता है, स्पेशली इतनी गर्मी में. बट आई ट्राई टू मे बी सिट इन द balcony for few minutes with the book, or maybe just walk around with the book. So it kind of, there's a slight shift in the mood, but there is a shift, and that kind of helps. Maybe trying a new recipe, watching a new series, maybe of a genre that you usually don't pick. Don't entertain every emotion. This is a bit difficult for me, but I'm pushing myself towards it. I generally am a very emotional person. I take it as my strength. I don't take it as my weakness. It's a good trait to have. But उसमें भी फिर ये होता है कि हर एक थॉट को बहुत हैवीली फील करते हैं, या वो इमोशन को एंटरटेन करता है. अगर किसी ने शायद कुछ फॉर एग्जांपल बोल दिया, उसमें कुछ उस बात में कुछ दम नहीं होता है, बट you you sit with it for so long and you entertain that emotion for so long that you are actually, जो बोल के गया उसके लिए कुछ नुकसान नहीं हुआ. यू आर हार्मिंग योरसेल्फ. हर एक चीज को दिल पे ले लेना है, हर एक चीज को लेके बैठ जाना, basically try to avoid that. It's better for your sanity. Even for my thoughts within that I have, it has nothing to do with other people, it has to do with myself. I still choose to block it out, and whenever I feel like कि मैं उसको किसी चीज को लेके बैठी हूँ, I'll just get up, maybe start doing something else, and then that just thought will pass away, and then I'll figure out कि हाँ, it didn't really have to be entertained that much. You don't have to validate or reason every emotion that you have. Not everything is black and white. You don't always have to choose the extremes. There are certain gray areas where you can leave certain things. Sometimes certain things are complicated. They are messy. You cannot instantly have answers to all the questions. Understanding this made me more patient and compassionate towards myself and others. Choose your battles. You don't have to fight every fight. Well, whether it's a heated discussion or a personal struggle, not every battle is worth your energy. Learn to prioritize what really matters. Sometimes not having an opinion is the best thing. You're sitting with friends, or I don't know, in a group, और किसी बात पे डिस्कशन हो रही है, we always go like, but I think this is right, but I think, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यही होना चाहिए. Not required. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि you should give your opinion on each and everything. And I am guilty for it. I have done this before. I have strongly put my opinions on certain things where I feel like, no, this is absolutely wrong and this is absolutely right, और ऐसे होना चाहिए. But now I have started to eat my words. जहाँ opinion रखना चाहिए, तुम्हें लगता है वहाँ रखो. हर जगह अपना opinion घुसाना is not required. I don't know if I read this somewhere or someone told me this. समटाइम्स इट्स बेस्ट टू से आई डोंट नो। जितनी इंफॉर्मेशन उस टॉपिक पे तुम्हारे पास है, तुम उसी बेसिस पे यू विल पुट एन ओपिनियन और यू विल हैव एन ओपिनियन, बट ज़रूरी नहीं है दैट दैट इज द अल्टीमेट एंड द on point information that you have. So if you are not sure about certain things, just say I don't know. कभी कभी staying neutral, being a bit diplomatic is also okay, and it's kind of liberating. नहीं देना है मुझे opinion, नहीं है मेरे पास कोई opinion, I don't know. Preserve your energy. ये सबको करना चाहिए. Think where you are putting your energy. Be mindful of who you allow in your radius, which energies, what kind of energies you allow in your radius. Energies matter the most. जैसे हम कुछ लोगों को मिलते हैं and you be like यार वाइब मैच हो गई, बहुत अच्छा है, वाइब मैच हो गई है, इस काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग दैट योर एनर्जी मैचेस. कुछ लोगों के साथ वक्त बिताने के बाद यू जस्ट फील वेरी ड्रेन्ड एंड यू फील अरे यार नहीं जाती तो चल जाता. कभी कभी प्लान्स को नो बोलना भी चलता है. Do something every day that brings you joy. This is also, I think, around changing patterns, trying something new. Practice the hobby that you have. When people ask us about hobbies, we get a bit nervous. What's your hobby? I don't know. Sleeping? It doesn't have to be something extravagant, it doesn't have to be something big. It can be like coloring in a book. It can be, I think, one of the smallest things. सबकी अलग अलग हॉबीज के दायरे होते हैं. But practice, keep practicing your hobbies. Try something that brings you joy. महीने में एक बार तो होता ही है where I'm just like मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, मुझे मैं कितना पीछे हूँ लोगों से, blah blah blah, and I will be in that whole rot. I have understood that pattern and I'm trying के जब भी that instant where I feel like Fatima you're falling, I get up, I either take a shower, I start doing something else, I start watching something, I start reading. Keep yourself busy, but also allow yourself to get bored. There have been times where I've been so busy that I don't have the time to overthink, मुझसे कुछ होगा कि नहीं होगा, all of that. So it's good to keep yourself busy and also in intervals let yourself get bored, because when you get bored, you also tend to get creative ideas. Getting bored helps trigger your creativity, and it has worked for me and it has done wonders. So yeah, these were few lessons that I've learned and I'm practicing. I'm also still learning. I don't do a lot of such videos where I'm sitting and doing buck. I know how ridiculous it sounds when I say that I kind of get conscious talking in front of the camera and all that, but it हो जाता है यार कभी कभी. I am also a human only, but I'm here trying new things. Let me give pat on my back to myself. You should also do that. Another pro tip: whenever you do have a small achievement, don't wait for others to clap for you. Clap for yourself. Give yourself pat on the back and keep moving forward. वाह यार, बातें तो अच्छी करती हूँ मैं, बस थोड़ी कभी कभी शाय फील हो जाता है, बट it's okay. We are धीरे धीरे coming out of our shell. If you like this video, let me know in the comments below. And if you have resonated with any of these things or have had a different experiences or something else that you have learned, you can share it with us so we can also learn with you, yeah? Let me know if we should do more of these, make it like a series. You have some topic in mind you want me to do buck about. We can do more of Bate with Badsha. It's fun, no? And please do subscribe to my channel. It's for free, just like my love for you. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, be kind to others, but most importantly, be kind to yourself. Bye.